Another day of Vlogmas here. Today is going to be my mama's last hoorah before her surgery. We are going to meet up at my daughter's house. Mama's been wanting to get together. She's been missing Donna. Hadn't seen her in a little while, and so we've put this together. We have got a fun recipe we're going to be trying for the very first time. So don't know how that's going to turn out, but it's going to be fun. So we're going to be doing that. We're just going to kind of just be hanging out together and just enjoying each other's company. And I thought I would bring y'all along for that. I would be showing y'all her Christmas decorations, her wreath I made her. And we're going to be adding some ribbon to her tree if she likes the way it looks. She's kind of funny about how she not funny. She just has her own ideas of how she likes things to look. And so we're going to be doing that. So it's going to be a fun day. And I'm excited to have y'all with me. So let's go. We're going to stop and get some gas and then head to Wiggins. They still got a paint out here, but she does have her little trees. And then this is her, oh, let it focus. Her wreath I made has the G, all her pretty ribbon. And I don't know if she's got lights for it yet or not, but all this is going to be getting painted come the spring. But they've done so much work on the inside. So I'll take you inside and show you how she's got it decorated. Y'all, this is a family heirloom that she wanted, and my mama finally gave it to her. This come from my great grandmother, and my mama always had it hanging in the doorway, and we used it as mistletoe. And Donna always wanted it, and she got it, and there's no telling how old that thing is, y'all. No telling how old it is. I don't know if y'all can hear her dryer going. Y'all, look at this beautiful rug that she got at Ollie's. I love it. It's got the taupes, the grays, the whites, the dark grays, the dark taupes, the light taupes. It is just the perfect color. I love this rug. How much was it, Donna?
$149 or $150.
That's a huge rug for that. And she got it at Ollie's. I'm telling you. That's the place. Place to go. Who you trying to look like today, Delana? I have that hat. I have that shirt. I have the flannel.
You're my inspiration.
All right, y'all, this is part of the ingredients for the recipe we're gonna be making. The cold ingredients are in the fridge. But yeah, it takes Mountain Dew, cinnamon, brown sugar, apples, crescent rolls, butter,
You have a thing of Cool Whip.
sugar. That's for when you bake it, after you bake it, but you can eat it with Cool Whip or ice cream. So what is it called, Delana? What's the recipe called? Your dryer is so loud.
I know. And its harness is in there too, making it extra loud, beating around. Crescent roll apple dumplings.
Okay, so I will put all of this down in the description box below the recipe, and we're gonna bake this today. So
Where's my Christmas tree cakes?
Are you excited? I forgot, I didn't look for them. I'm not obsessed like you are. Are you excited to be with your mommy today and baking? Are you gonna do all the work and I'm gonna supervise?
Probably not.
What does your cup say?
My husband is hotter than my coffee.
I think I bought you that, didn't I? Okay, we've got it in the oven. Delana's fussing at the dogs. So now what we're gonna do is clean up our mess, sit down, and just wait for this house to get full of all of the aroma of a fresh baked apple pie. I think that's what it's gonna be. It's gonna taste like an apple pie. And I brought us some Cool Whip. It says you can have it with ice cream or by itself, but I had some Cool Whip that needed to be used, so I brought the Cool Whip. And are you excited about how good it's gonna be?
It looks good.
She's always finding recipes for us to try. We made one.
The last one was the best.
We made one, what was it, a few weeks ago? What was it called? Some kind of
Pumpkin bread.
pumpkin roll. I thought it was good. She hated it, but anyway, we'll see how this one tastes. I'm excited, y'all.
This bell,
Yeah, how old is
I
that?
was very young. That was a Bill's Dollar Store. in Lucedale, and Mama paid 50 cents for it.
So you don't remember how old you was?
I was very young, so.
And you're 70 now?
No, I'm not. I am 68 right now. But I probably was about 10 or something like that.
So it's at least over 50 years old.
Oh, Lord, yeah. There's no doubt about it. And it's hung in my house ever since I've had a house of my own. And then Delana asked for it.
Yeah.
And it thrills me to death to see it hanging.
She always wanted that, and she loves it.
Well, it's very treasured.
Delana.
Nothing expensive about it. Plastic, old, vintage for sure.
Is that good?
Very.
So what do you think about it, Lena? It's a hit?
Okay, Donna, what do you think about it?
Okay, let me see. Can't even get it on the spoon. Oh, so good.
Definite hit.
Yeah. All right. I was going to say what I would do different about this recipe, but let me let you hear what Mama had to say. What would you do different?
Instead of 2, I'd put 3 in this bowl.
Okay. What we have said here and discussed is we would peel the apples. The recipe didn't specify. And you could honestly, I could see making this even without the apples. I don't know how you would do it and time it and everything, but just the crescent rolls with the sugar and cinnamon and Cool. I mean, we don't need that healthy fruit or nothing. Do we? What are you doing, Dan?
I'm getting some of the syrup.
Are you enjoying it?
I did enjoy that. That ain't nothing sweet in you.
All right, y'all, been home for a while. I just got dinner made. It was really quick and easy. I did what James requested, which was...
Jackson version of the Nacho Bel Grandes.
Yeah, it's the whole...
Buster said he didn't get his portion.
He ain't getting none of them beans. He wanted like Nacho Bel Grande homemade version. So I just made that. It was so good. I'm stuffed. And yeah. So I'm going to get this mess cleaned up. Your girl is tired. So I'm going to get a hot bath and just relax. So I love y'all and I will see you tomorrow. Bye, y'all.